station. I am the animal keeper Kiki. Let's use a drone to find out which animals need our help. Drag the center position and locate the injured animals. A picture is taken once you locate. A frozen crocodile is found. This is a sick peacock. A rhinoceros is stuck in the tire. Choose a truck and pick up the injured animals. Follow the animal icons and you will find the injured animals. Drag the animal onto the truck. Back to the rescue center for treatments. Animals move into the new dormitories. Let's find out which animals also need our help. Drag the center position and a dirty penguin is found. Hedgehog is found. Choose a truck and pick up the injured animals. Follow the animal icons and you will find the injured animals. Animal onto the truck. Take them back to the rescue center for treatments. Move into the new dormitories. There is an oil leakage on the sea. The penguin is covered in oil. Spray with detergent. awesome!